Hi, this is Angela with Angela's Nurse Educator Toolbox. This is an activity that I used in Intro to Nursing class. It's called Rooted in Resilience to show students that you still have to do self care, especially once you're a nurse, to prevent burnout, to overcome the challenges of nursing, because nursing school itself is very intense. It demands a lot of energy, dedication, and heart. So, this activity helps them pause and recognize the importance of nurturing themselves during their journey in nursing school. Like a succulent, they are resilient, but even resilient things need care. The first part, they've got a rock. The rock is their foundation. It represents their foundation, their why, their values, or support system, the people and principles that ground them, maybe the person that wanted them to become a nurse, that inspired them to, people that support them. The next part of the project was the soil. That's your nursing environment. Now that you're back into school, you're going to be learning things from everybody, from your instructors, from fellow classmates. It's complex. Sometimes the soil, which nursing school it definitely is complex. It can sometimes be messy, but it holds you and provides you what you need to grow. So this is what we talk about in this section. The next part is the succulent. Okay. The succulent represents a student. Like a succulent, they are resilient and able to thrive in difficult conditions. So, succulents thrive in tough conditions with minimal resources, just like students have been doing, but they still need care. The type of care, water. This is watering the plant represents self care. It's not optional, it's essential. You can't grow or give to others without replenishing yourself. Water symbolizes the care that you give yourself. You cannot pour from an empty cup. And the last one is the sun. That's support and positivity. The sun gives light, energy, and hope. It represents joy, support, and growth, your mentors, your friends, your accomplishment. This point is where I gave them stickers, the stickers where they decorated their pots with their succulents. And a lot of these students needed to know that they had somebody who believed in them, that they can do this, because some of these students come from homes that don't encourage them to go to school or encourage them to better themselves, and nobody ever believed in them that they can do it. So it was a very good motivational talk and also showing them that they do need self care.